How does SUNLU PLA perform? Let's break it down with some tests. First, the tensile test. SUNLU PLA has a tensile strength of 61 megapascals and stretches about 3.1% before snapping. Next, the flexural test. SUNLU PLA scores 83 megapascals for flexural strength and has a flexural modulus of 2,240 megapascals. Then there's the impact test. SUNLU PLA's notched IZOD impact strength is 3.9 kilojoules per square meter. Finally, the thermal test. SUNLU PLA can handle up to 53 degrees Celsius before it starts to lose shape. SUNLU PLA is fantastic for all kinds of everyday 3D printing projects. 1. Practical item. SUNLU PLA is easy to print and also can customize your storage box to suit your personal style. With rich colors and durable strength, organizing becomes more fun. 2. Decorative item. Such as making a colorful toy with SUNLU PLA. Eco-friendly and available in many colors to match any space. 3. Fun items. SUNLU PLA can be used to print personalized multicolored stress reliever. Enjoy a unique relaxation tool anytime. 4. Desktop use. SUNLU PLA is able to print both practical and stylish items, just like the fun pen holder in the video. It's super easy to print with accuracy, budget friendliness, and eco-friendliness. If you're starting with 3D printing, SUNLU PLA is the way to go.